So, what am I doing today? Well, right now we have to make a YouTube channel. In order to make a YouTube channel, I've got to have some way to record it where my hands are free. So, what I have here is a collection of random camera things. So, like this one here, it's a magnet onto my phone, because I figure I'll probably be using my phone a lot. I also have this tripod here that I've had for a while, like a long while. Been sitting around, so we're going to utilize this so I can kind of record what we're doing. Also, this guy here, he clicks in there like that. So the problem is, I'll show you what I'm recording on now. I have a Virb Elite. Let's see if we get on the camera and we flip it. And now you can see me and I can see you, and we hit record there. So this is what I have. And I have this little suction cup thing here, right? That's very cool. Oh. How do we flip this around? And so I'm going to be, modifying this here to sit on there so I can put it on the tripod. And also modifying this one here, which magnetizes itself to the back of the camera, right? But it's got a mounting there, so we're going to mount that like this on some plate vertically. So then I can basically flip between this camera here. That way I can flip from this camera to that camera to this tripod and back and forth. That way my hands are free, I can work on stuff and get some stuff done, show you how to do it. Okay, so I didn't have to, well, I didn't measure it because I'm just kind of winging it. It's just got to be big enough, not too big. But if it's too big, it doesn't really matter because it's just sitting on top of the tripod. So anyways, that's how we cut it out. Well, just another tip here too. So this saw is carbide blade, and carbide cuts through the carbide blades cut through aluminum really, really well. You can cut it really straight, really smooth. You just got to watch out for the metal chips, because it'll send 1,000 metal chips into your eyeballs. Hence safety glasses. What I used here was a step drill bit. They're really nice for cutting aluminum. Cuts a nice round hole. Alright, so the reason why I put this second hole on there It's because I'm going to bend this over, and as I bend it over and down, that's where the holder for the iPhone is going to go. Okay, so that's folded down. Put that on. Put that on. Now we're just going to put this on here, double sided tape. Alright, let's see how it works now. And bingo. That looks alright. Now, put the phone on there, would stick like that. And then we can actually hit record, flip the camera, bam. There we go. Now I can move it around. And I got both hands. That makes it easier to work. The problem is the magnets
And you could use
a little off center.
and put it up here.
Alright, so now we have this section here, which is for this.
Just one.
So now stick. There I am, once again, trying to do something with one hand, which is the whole reason why we're doing what we're doing here. Get people. There we go. Look at that. And it's a little bumpy. We need to stiffen that up.